back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at a portable lighted makeup mirror. This mirror is from Kaerwen and it's sold on Amazon. Now, before you forget, make sure you do subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your likes and your comments. Alright, so back to the mirror. Here we have a handy sized mirror. Now, I live in a dorm, and having a Hollywood style mirror is not ideal, nor do I really have space for it. So this is nice, compact, and has everything I need to be able to get anything done. So, a little bit of a close-up for this. So here's a bit of a close-up. Now, I do want to point out that there's two ways to power this mirror. You can use 3 AA batteries or this micro USB cord to plug it in if you don't have access to those. Right now, I'm just using the 3 batteries because that's what I have on hand. Now, I'm going to show you the back of this first. Now, as you see, we have our kickstand. The kickstand adjusts quite a lot. This is the farthest it goes, flat. And then, of course, you can put it away and you can hold it in your hands or safely put it down flat. Also, on the back, here's your battery compartment for your 3 AA batteries, your power switch, and you might notice this. This is a mirror that I'll get to in a second, and your plug-in port for your micro USB. Now, this is a mirror. It comes with another mirror. It is 7 times magnified right here, and all you have to do is attach it to the front. It is magnetic, and it's an easy way for you to do your eyeliner, maybe get close enough to do some other skincare. It's a nice little feature, and it slides right back in on the back, so you're not going to have to worry about losing it. Now, to the front, we have our button because we have lights on this mirror. All you have to do is press it and it'll turn on. This is adjustable, so you hold it down, it'll dim. That's the lightest it goes. And then, of course, you just hold it down again and it will brighten back up. Now, with this feature, you're able to adjust it to whatever you appreciate and like when you're doing your makeup. You also can just turn it off if you don't like it. That's what I like about that, so I don't always have to have the light on. This is 9.25 inches in height, 6.5 inches in width, so quite compact and, easy to pack. This is very handy to pick up and use. It's not too large in your hands, and all you have to do is pick it up. You can use the kickstand to hold it if you want. I don't like doing that, but choice is yours. Here's a better look at the front of the mirror. That's just on, and then I can dim it. That's the brightest it goes, and of course you can turn it off. So I plan on taking this back with me to college so I can use it for the remaining weeks of the semester. It's quite helpful. I do need the extra light since the overhead light in there is not the greatest. So that's a look at the Kaerwen, a portable light-up mirror. Make sure you check the description section below for more information. Like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.